Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Carolyn and I'm your dream bag lady. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe with the button below and bell notifications for upcoming new unboxing and giveaway. Today's video will be another unboxing. Another big bag. Can you guess what it is again? So this one is limited edition, and this one is a collaboration with UF. It's a Swiss artist. Speedy 25 coated canvas and inside coated canvas as well. So this is a Speedy that has the most structure, held up very well. This one has the strap. There's 3-way straps, silver hardware. You can actually make this into a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. Perfect. We have here silver hardware, locking keys, can you see the details of this? Look at this underneath there. I love the texture on this. They call it the tough technique. Although I do love the white and black color, the only thing that I don't like about this is how the logos, the flowers are all kind of squished and mangled. But other than that, it's a very, very nice structured Speedy. I love the size 25. It's a really good size. You can put quite a bit on here. As you can see, the inside is also canvas. That's why this bag is so structured. There's a zipper with another pocket, interior pocket in there. Very roomy, enough to hold all the necessity. Super cute. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you like the unboxing. And don't forget to subscribe, Dream Bag Lady. If you have any questions about this particular item, please message me directly below, or I do have an Instagram account that I reply very quickly. It's also called Dream Bag Lady. Again, thank you so much for being here and stay safe. Until next time.